today I'm excited for two reasons. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimera Jules here with another wig review. Today I am excited because I actually have my first real headband. Look, the headband's attached. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you will know that I've been on the headband trend. There's a lot of headband wig videos out. The reason why you guys are seeing so many headband wig videos out there is because there's a shortage of lace. Headband wigs are really just half wigs with headbands attached. If you already have a wig, half wig, full wig, even a lace wig, you can simply add a headband to make your own headband wig if you don't have one. Well, I actually have a playlist of headband wigs where I took some half wigs that I already owned, paired them with some headbands that I got from Amazon, and made my own headband wig. So it's a very affordable way for you to make a headband wig if you don't have one. The second reason I am excited is that I am doing a collaboration today with Nizzy Mac. Okay, now to be honest with you, I'm always excited every time I do a collaboration, but Nizzy. So Nizzy used to be Nizzy's Playhouse, and now she's Nizzy Mac. I don't remember when we started following each other, to be honest with you. I think sometime last year. Yeah, a lot of the people I started following was from last year because I didn't officially start my channel again until January of 2019. So that's when I started kind of connecting with people. Okay, I don't remember. Nizzy, remind me if you remember. But I love Nizzy. Nizzy just reached 10K on Instagram. So congratulations to you, Nizzy. Yay! Yay! 10K! Yay! We gotta do a wig dance for you at the end of the video. So guys, help me celebrate with her and congratulate her. Absolutely loves Nizzy is such a sweetheart. She does clothing hauls, she does makeup videos, she does wig videos, makeup, Nizzy makeup, Nizzy wigs. She just slays them all. Her TikToks are fabulous. You guys, honestly, you guys need to check out Nizzy. If you're not following her already, you need to be following Nizzy.
Hello, cut crease.
Make sure after you finish watching my video, you head on over to her channel, let her know that I sent you, and make sure you show her some love. Subscribe. You guys will not be sorry. She's got an awesome channel. Okay, so before we get into the details of this beautiful unit, we have to talk about the lippy. We always talk about the lippy first on this channel. So today I am wearing one of my favorite collab, and this one is in the color Boy Toy. So you've got this beautiful pink color, very beautiful. And now into the details of this unit.
Love Me Hair was kind enough to send me this wig for review. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And it doesn't hurt that they have beautiful packaging. I am a sucker for beautiful packaging. And you've got bonus points because it's purple, my favorite color. And here are some other goodies that were included in the box.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. I love it. Look at the coils. I love it. Beautiful. Thank you so much to Love Me Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. This is their 20-inch Jerry Curl headband wig. So as you can see, it's like a kinky curly type wig with very, very coil, like tiny coil. I love this wig. It's just like, this is my hair. You guys cannot tell me that this is not my hair. This is absolutely beautiful. It is in a natural color. So this is the natural color that it comes in. Now, it being a human hair unit, you can actually color this hair. It absolutely looks so natural. It is very soft and it's very full. Now, as you can see, when I first put on the unit, straight out of the package, it was very uniform, very flat. So I've gone ahead and I've used my fingers to kind of separate the curls a little bit, fluff it out a little bit, and now it's taking some shapes. If you want to get it to be more full and less defined, you just go ahead, brush it or comb it. This is like, you can't tell me this is my hair. Like, honestly, this is a very, very good protective style, a very good natural protective style wig. Easy, throw on and go. No lace to cut, no lace to blend. You just throw this on and go. In terms of the price, I will put all of the pricing and the links to this wig in the description box below. Also check the description box for my coupon code so you can save some money. So normally when I'm doing wig reviews, I will talk about whether or not hair is heat safe. Now this hair is human hair, so it is heat safe. You can straighten the hair with flat iron, hot comb. Do be careful, do not use it too high, just like your own natural hair. If you put the temperature too high, you will burn your hair. This hair will not melt because it's not synthetic, it is human hair, but just like your natural hair, if it is too high, you will get heat damage. So please be careful if you're using heat in this hair. Now for me personally, I don't think I would straighten this unit. If I want a straight unit, I will just get a separate straight unit. I do that with my synthetic wigs as well. It's just less work. I got a straight wig for when I want straight hair, and I got a curly wig for when I want curly hair. Sometimes you don't have those options. Sometimes you may want to restyle, and that's fine. You are free to, use heat. Good thing about this one is it is big head friendly, so anyone can wear this one comfortably. I experienced just a little bit of shedding, not too much, like a couple strands of shedding. Tangling, there is a little bit of tangling towards the ends. I believe that it's because it's such a really tight curl. The curl is so coily, but my own natural hair will tangle sometimes. Put water in it or condition it, your fingers will just run right through it. But it is, I'm able to run my fingers through it, and you guys know when it comes to curly hair, I don't normally run my fingers through it because it will tangle, but this is human hair, so you can do that. You can do it now, guys. So as you can see, you can wear it like this with the edges showing, or if you're experiencing any hair loss, or if you just simply don't feel like doing your edges or showing your edges, you can actually wear it all the way forward. You can even cover your ears too. So it's very versatile. Really, really loving these headband wigs. So convenient, easy. I love this. I love this. So with these headband wigs, you don't have to just wear it in one style, you can restyle it. So I'm going to try some other styles as well. So pros, obviously, it's not a lace wig, so you don't have to fool around with lace. You don't have to try to melt the lace. It's an easy throw on and go. It is very beginner friendly. There is honestly the only thing I did to it, as you guys could see, threw it on, ran my fingers through it. It's beautiful. It's big head friendly. You can restyle this wig. It is very versatile. Cons, I honestly don't have any cons about this unit. I really don't have anything negative to say about this wig. This is really beautiful. I would highly recommend this wig. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know what your favorite style was. Let me know if you grabbed the wig. Make sure you check the description box for the coupon code so you can save some money. I will put all the information below. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Sometimes those notifications don't work. Make sure you subscribe to me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. I'm on quite a few social media platforms. They are all under Kimera Jewels. If you do a search Kimera Jewels, or if you look in the description box below, all of the links are there. Or if you look at my about, just scroll on over. I think there's like the playlists. There's videos, and there's about. In the about section, you'll see all of my links there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig. Very, very beautiful. Look at this, like, look at this, it's beautiful. This is one of my favorite wigs to date. Yeah, I love this one.